Hello, beautiful soul family and friends, and welcome to my channel. This is your girl Chelle Donald with Chelle Donald LLC, and today's video is March pattern haul. Today's pattern haul consists of a mixture of Mccall's and Simplicity patterns. So the first one to start this pattern haul off with is Mccall's M7610. It's basically the athletic jogger shorts and like your loose tank top. So you can get a better view. It's like it's version A through E. Basically, you got the joggers, that you can use for the elastic. Then you basically got the top that, notches in the back, that is like runched in the back, basically. And on the back it has, okay, let me flip my back, I'm sorry. On the back, you have the pullover hoodie type shirt, just the regular tank top, the shorts, and the joggers, basically. All right, let's move on to the next one. Next one is Mccall's R10449. If you're wondering, yes, Mccall does have a series where they, use R or they use M. Not sure on, what happened with that, but, you get the rest. But here it is. It's basically, the two-tone fur coat, the fox fur coat. You got the short version with no sleeves, and then you got the long version with sleeves, and then you got the two-tone version. I like it. This is what's on the back for people that don't really look at the back. It's got the measurements, and it has, the sewing notions and everything that you need for this particular pattern. Okay, next one. I'm not sure if I did one on this particular pattern itself, but I think I did. This is the bodysuit. It's 8513, Simplicity 8513. You got the bodysuit that has the bell bottom sleeve. You have the one that has the, I can't say it right now. I'm sorry, I'm so tongue tied. I feel winded right now. But you have different versions basically. So excuse me for the bloopers. Y'all, I'm gonna get it right. That's the back. Shows you the different versions you can make and the notions that you need. I'm pretty sure you need a closer view of this. Yep, bodysuits. All different types of versions. All right, the next one is Simplicity 8339. It's basically the sports bra. You can make the different types of sports bra. As you can see, it has version A through C. And these are the different types. Not sure when I'm going to make it, but I feel like I want to make it today. Y'all, bear with me because I'm flipping and turning. But that's what makes me me. Me being the person that I am. All right, the next one is Simplicity 8228. Madalynne is from her lingerie collection. I really like this. I never really made nothing like this before, except for the first one that I made with the lace fabric. But I did a sewing tutorial on that a while back, which was probably last year. So yeah, it has different versions. Really don't need that much fabric for lingerie, as you all know. Flip it up. Sorry, y'all. That lets you know the notions and everything on the back. All right, the next one is 8711 by Simplicity. Also another Madalynne. I bought a lot of hers when they was on sale for $1.99. When they had Simplicity sale. I just never got around to actually shooting a tutorial for one. I shot one, but I don't think it was in depth as I wanted it to be. And last but not least, another one from Madalynne, which is Simplicity 8624. Another bra and panty set. The last two was bra and panty sets too, but we call it lingerie. Which one ever you prefer. But I like this one because it got the lace and then it got the elastic band, the elastic trimming around it. I really like it, but I think that's scallop lace. Never used really scallop lace before. I'm trying to get it right, y'all. I'm so sorry. But yeah. Lastly, that was it. My beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. If you like the content that I am making, make that bell ring, hit the subscribe button below, turn on the notifications so you can get notified when I make my next video. Also, I think today, my plan is to either try to get a sewing tutorial in, or if not today, then tomorrow, which will be sewing tutorial Sunday for me probably. I'm not too sure yet, but I plan to go ahead and get in the works because your girl has been buying a lot of fabric and a lot of patterns and has not been really doing much with them. Like, I got disposable bins full of fabric and patterns that I have not used or made a sewing tutorial for or even did a pattern haul for. So bear with me, y'all. Thank y'all for, your continued support and your love. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.